Good morning or good afternoon, guys. I'm just cooking lunch or dinner. It's probably gonna be my dinner, but I'm soaking my chicken. I got organic chicken thighs because I just can't do the chicken breast. I gotta find out the correct way to cook chicken breast because it's always dry. But I'm cooking with chicken thighs. So I soaked it in this barbecue sauce. It's so delicious. I like this sauce. I think it's made, let's see. I don't know where it gotta be made in, oh, it's made in Hawaii, Hawaiian barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up and then put it into my salad master. Okay guys, so I just sliced them with my scissors. Actually, I did not use a knife. So I just sliced them like that, or however you want. But I'm just gonna cook this, and then I'm gonna end up putting some tofu and some watercress inside. So I got it on 225 because I just want to cook it slow because I'm cleaning the kitchen at the same time, so I don't want to overcook it. So we're gonna go ahead and let those chicken cook for a bit. And then what I got here is some firm tofu. I'm gonna cut them like, I'm gonna dice them like in little squares, or we'll see how big. And then I'm gonna put it in here and then soak it in some of the sauce as well. So let's get cutting. I cut them in little cubes like that, and I'm just gonna marinate them in some sauce so that it has a good taste. Smells really good. Okay, I'm gonna soak that. So I got some watercress that I'm gonna go ahead and cut up. Stirring in the watercress. I do love watercress. And then the last part, I will throw in the, usually I make hamburger, watercress, and tofu, but today I'm using chicken. So yeah, some places might not have watercress, but I really love this watercress. So it's all done. So I got some barbecue chicken with tofu and watercress. Yes, I'm gonna go eat now. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's gonna be a short video, and I'll see you guys next time.